Namaste and welcome back to our channel. Today we'll learn how to ask someone, "Where are you going?" in Nepali. Perfect if you are visiting Nepal or just interested in learning the language. In Nepali, we say "Timi kaha jaँदैछौ?" to ask "Where are you going?" Timi kaha jaँदैछौ? Let's break it down. Timi means you, kaha means where, and jaँदैछौ refers to going. Different levels of formality. We have different levels of politeness depending on who you are talking to. For example, for close friends or younger people, you can say "Timi kaha jaँदैछौ?" And for people older than you or to be more formal, say "तपाईं कहाँ जाँदै हुनुहुन्छ?" तपाईं कहाँ जाँदै हुनुहुन्छ? For groups or respectfully addressing seniors, use "तपाईंहरू कहाँ जाँदै हुनुहुन्छ?" You can add "haru" after तपाईं, like "तपाईंहरू कहाँ जाँदै हुनुहुन्छ?" Practice pronunciation. Now let's practice the pronunciation together. तिमी कहाँ जाँदैछौ? तिमी कहाँ जाँदैछौ? Try repeating each phrase a few times for practice. Uses in conversation. Here's how this might look in a conversation. Example number 1. Informal sentence. Question. तिमी कहाँ जाँदैछौ? Meaning, where are you going? तिमी कहाँ जाँदैछौ? Reply. म घर जाँदैछु. म घर जाँदैछु. Meaning, I'm going home. Now, example number 2. This is formal sentence. तपाईं कहाँ जाँदै हुनुहुन्छ? तपाईं कहाँ जाँदै हुनुहुन्छ? Reply. म अफिस जाँदैछु. म अफिस जाँदैछु. Meaning, I'm going to the office. Now, let's look at some more examples from my website. Example 1. Where are you going right now? तिमी अहिले कहाँ जाँदैछौ? तिमी अहिले कहाँ जाँदैछौ? Example number 2. Are you going to school or home? School जाँदैछौ कि घर? School जाँदैछौ कि घर? Example number 3. Why are you going there? तिमी किन त्यहाँ जाँदैछौ? तिमी किन त्यहाँ जाँदैछौ? Now, example number 4. Where are they going? उनीहरू कहाँ जाँदैछन्? उनीहरू कहाँ जाँदैछन्? How to respond to "Where are you going?" in Nepali? When someone asks "तिमी कहाँ जाँदैछौ?" or "तपाईं कहाँ जाँदै हुनुहुन्छ?" here are some common ways to respond. Example number 1. I am going to work. म काममा जाँदैछु. म काममा जाँदैछु. Example number 2. I am going to meet a friend. म साथीलाई भेट्न जाँदैछु. म साथीलाई भेट्न जाँदैछु. That's all for today's lesson. Now you know how to say "Where are you going?" in Nepali. Don't forget to visit agentakash.com/Nepali for more resources, and please comment with what you want to learn next. Till then, dhanyavad and see you in the next video.